Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering everything down and removing batteries to prevent shorts. Once done, clear a well-lit workspace and lay out a tray for tiny screws. This keeps parts organized. You should remove wheels and body clips to access the chassis, and then unscrew the top plate while noting screw locations. Make sure to photograph the wiring and connectors now so you can reverse the process accurately. This reduces errors when reassembling later. Next, focus on the drivetrain and electronics together because mechanical drag often mimics electrical failure. You'll spin the motor off the vehicle to feel for rough bearings and inspect gears for stripped teeth. Replace any damaged gear or pinion immediately. Then test the ESC and receiver with a multimeter and a bench power source to isolate a dead component. If connections look dull or cracked, reflow solder joints and clean battery and connector contacts to restore reliable current flow. To finish, reassemble the Jeep in the reverse order of teardown. Make sure screws are snug but not over-torqued, and route wires to avoid pinching. Once complete, reinstall batteries and perform short-range throttle and steering checks to confirm responses. Test indoors on carpet or outdoors on flat pavement. If problems remain, swap in a known good receiver or apply direct power to the motor to isolate faults. One key troubleshooting tip. If intermittent control occurs, verify antenna positioning and eliminate radio interference before replacing major components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.